Oh, okay.
Here we go. What's all the hoopla about?
Joe? Joe the witch doctor? We thought you were dead.
So did I. Then I realized I'm covered in brown spots.
So, Melman's not dying!
Melman's not dying.
Wait, please, excuse me. Melman! Move out. Don't do this! Julian, stop this! This is crazy!
Oh, suddenly throwing a giraffe into a volcano to make water is crazy.
Yes! Please, Melman! Stop!
Gloria?
You can't do this!
Why not?
Because, You can't do this, Melman.
First of all, that hurts. Second of all, I've only got 18 hours to live anyway.
Melman, I gotta know. Did you really mean all those things you said about me?
Of course I did.
It's crazy.
It is?
It's crazy to think I had to go halfway around the world to find out that the perfect guy for me lived right next door.
Then I guess it's you and me, neighbor. You and me for the next 18 hours.
I'll take whatever you got.
Maurice, what just happened?
I believe the fat lady has some.
Hey, what's going on here?
Marty!
Hey, listen up. Alex is in big trouble. We got to get upriver fast.
What about the plane?
Herb?